A Republican gerrymander just backfired in their face. Democrats flipped another seat blue. Guess where? In Georgia, a House District 121 just flipped blue, and it was a House district at the state level where MAGA Republicans in Georgia worked to gerrymander the heck out of this thing to make it go even more red, but it went blue. Let me tell you what went down here. So a Democratic candidate, Eric Gissler, won Georgia's House District seat 121. This isn't federal level. This isn't Congress. This is the state House district in Georgia. And this guy, Gissler, won by about 2 to 3 points. This was an area that Trump won by plus 12 in 2024. But get this, Eric Gissler has run for this seat before. You know when he ran for this seat before? Last November. So pretty freaking recently. And guess what the result was last November before Donald Trump destroyed the American economy? Gissler lost 61 to 39 against a different candidate, a Republican by the name of Marcus Widower, 61 to 39. So to recap, Eric Gissler lost 61 to 39 last November, and now in December, on December 9th, he won by like 51% to 49%. He won by like 2 points as Greg Bluestein, who does a great job, local journalist there, one of the best. He goes, in a stealth upset, Democrat Eric Gissler flips a GOP-held Georgia House seat spanning parts of Athens and Oconee County. Gissler won 39% of the vote last November. He captured 51% tonight to defeat a Republican backed by Brian Kemp. So maybe he doesn't consider himself MAGA per se, but when you aid and abet Donald Trump's agenda, which has destroyed the lives of people in Georgia, I consider that MAGA. And he was also endorsed by other GOP leaders. Here's what Donald Trump says. He goes, they said prices are high, but they're going down substantially. Play this clip.
You know, and I said it the other day, and a lot of people misinterpret it. They say, oh, he doesn't realize prices are high. Prices are coming down very substantially. But they have a new word. You know, they always have a hoax. The new word is affordability. So they look at the camera and they say, this election is all about affordability. Now, they never talk about it. They never talk. Thank you very much. They say I'm not allowed to run. I don't know what the hell that's all about, but that's okay. They said 4 more years. You see the new hat? We have 4 more years.
Now, you'll also recall in Georgia, back when the blue tsunami hit in early November, do you remember that in Georgia, 2 of the statewide Georgia Public Service Commission positions flipped? And it was one of the first times you saw a major statewide race flip like this in like decades. This was a big, big deal. And they were both nearly 30-point shifts. So the Public Service Commission seat 2 shifted from an R+2 to a D, Democrat plus 25. Seat 3 flipped from an R+2 to a D+26. That was on the Tuesday.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's story from the United States is very important and very interesting. It is about the state of Georgia and about the Republican Party, also called the GOP. This try to change the voting map to help themselves win. But instead of helping them, the plan is failed. The plan backfired, and back of this, they faced a shocking loss. Many people across the USA are talking about this situation. In this report, we will explain everything so everyone can understand. In the USA, elections are very important. Every vote matters. Every district matters. A district is like a small area inside a status where people vote for their leaders. When the map of these directs is changed to help one political party, this is called gerrymandering. In Georgia, the GOP create a new map They believed this new map would make it harder for Democrats to win and easier for Republicans to win. They thought this would give them a safe seat, but the voters surprised everyone. The GOP lost the seat instead of winning it. This story shows how powerful voters can be. What is gerrymandering? Gerrymandering means change voting maps in a way that supports one party instead of making fair district. The districts are made in strange shapes. These strange shapes help one side get more votes and reduce the strength of the other side. The GOP in Georgia used this method. They believed that by changing the map, they could control the election's result. They believed the map would give them an advantage. But things did not happen the way they expected. The GOP plan is Georgia. The GOP plan in Georgia. The Republican Party thought their new plan would protect their seats. They worked hard to resign, redesign the district. They believed the new lines would split Democrat voters and bring Republican voters together. They thought the new map was strong. They thought the new map was safe. They thought the new map would guarantee victory. But when the election happened, something different happened. The voters chose the Democratic candidates. This result shocked everyone. The plan backfire. The wood the wood backfire means a plan that hurts your in instead of helping you. Instead of helping you. That is exactly what happened to the GOP. They create the map to help themselves, but the map ending up hurting them. Many people come out the vote. Many people were upset with the new map. They felt their communicates were being broken apart unfairly. They want to show their strength. They want to show their voice. So they votes, and these votes change everything. Why the plan failed? These are several reasons why the GOP's strength failed in Georgia. People understood the map was unfair. People in Georgia talked about the new map. They discussed it at home, at work, and in social media. They know the map was changed. The political benefit this made many voters again. Communities shooted together. Even thought the map tried to break communications, the communications remained united. They supported each other. They encouraged each other to vote. They refused to be divided. Young voters become active. Young people in Georgia play a very important role. They came out to vote in large number. They wanted change. They wanted fairness. They wanted to show that their vote matters. Unexpected votes turn out. Turnout means the number of people who vote. The turnout was very high, but when more people votes, surprising happened, and this surprises was big. Because of this reason, the GOP the seats, lost the seats they believed they had success. Reactions across the USA. When the news separates that the GOP lost because of their own map, media channels across the country started talking about it. Many expected call this a major political movement. Many analytics say this lose is a lessons for all political parties. People say you cannot control voters with map. Democracy is stronger. Democracy is stronger than political games. Voters will always find a way to make their voice harder. The story quickly went viral in the USA. What else means for the future? The event could change many things. Courts may check these map again. Other states many things twins before trying unfair map. Stressed people in strange people in America may become even more active in voting. Many voters now believe that their votes can truly make a difference. Many communities now feel that when they stand together, they can defect any unfair plan. Georgia has become a symbol of water power. A simple lesson from Georgia. The biggest lessons from this story is a very simple. You can try to change the map, but you cannot change the people. The Georgia try to use the map to win, but the people use their votes to answer. This shows the beauty of democracy. When people feel something is wrong, they come forward, they speak, they vote, and they change the result. Final story. The Georgia election is a strong reminder that democracy depends on people, not map. The GOP tried to control the district, but the voters control the result. The GOP tried to design the future, but the people designed their own future. This story teaches us that power belongs to the people, not party can silence. The voice of the public cannot map public, and no map can stop the will of the voters. The Georgia elections will be remembered as a moment when voters stood strong and proved that democracy is alive, power and unstoppable. Thank you for watching my video.